Hey everybody, welcome to Krietz Customs. Today I'm lifting a 2017 Ford F350 King Ranch, putting a 2.5-inch leveling kit up front. So this kit's brought to you by ReadyLift. This is a 2.5-inch lift for the front of this truck. These are your spring spacers. Then you have your sway bar drop brackets, your bump stop drop brackets, your front shock adapters, and your brake line drop brackets. So it's a pretty simple kit, and I hope this video helps explain the process of this truck. So first things first, you want to raise your truck up in the air, remove your front tires, leave your back tires on because we're going to set the front axle on jack stands to support it, and this is what it's going to look like. All right. So the next step is to remove some of the front suspension parts to be able to lower the front axle down to install our 2.5-inch ReadyLift. So I'm going to start by removing this front brake line bracket from the frame here. So next step, I'm going to remove the lower bolt for your front shock. Next step, I'm going to remove your sway bar from the frame. Now I'm going to loosen up your radius arm bolt at the frame. Now you just want to remove your spring and your isolator. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to install your ReadyLift sway bar drop bracket to the frame. So what I'm doing now is I'm installing your stock sway bar to your ReadyLift drop bracket kit. Since we're using your stock front shocks, ReadyLift supplied shock adapters to be able to reach the new distance from your axle to your shock. So next thing I'm going to do is remove your bump stop and bracket to install the ReadyLift drop bracket for your bump stop. So first thing you need to do is pull on this a little bit. So this is your ReadyLift bump stop drop bracket. So we unbolted the main bracket. Slide your bolt up in there, line up with the guide pin. Come back up. Bolt it right back down. And that's what it's going to look like, my friends. Last step is to install your drop brackets from ReadyLift for your brake lines. That finishes up this leveling kit on this 2017 F350. If you have any questions on your vehicles that you want aftermarket parts done, call us at 301-694-4642, or if you're interested in the Krietz custom trucks that we already have built, visit us at KreitzAuto.com. Thanks, and have a great day.